Hi students, in this video we are looking for nomenclature of haloalkanes and haloarenes. Okay, the first point, the nomenclature, we write the naming of the compounds. So, common name, okay, we generally call it as CN also. Okay, alkyl halides or haloalkanes are derived by naming the alkyl group. First you write alkyl group, then followed by halides, halogens like fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Okay. So in this is only for regarding haloalkanes. Okay. So IUPAC name, IUPAC means or IUPAC name also we generally IN. Okay. IUPAC system means this is a international union of pure and applied chemistry system. Okay, this is called IUPAC or IUPAC name. Okay, so let me go for IUPAC name in alkyl halides are named as haloalkanes. Okay, haloarenes. Okay, in the common name as well as IUPAC name of aryl halides means aryl halides, both the naming of common name and IUPAC name both are same. Dihalogen arenes, by chance in the presence of haloarenes, dihalogens, two halogens atom are present. Prefix we called as O means ortho, M means meta and P means para, or used common names. Ortho we write 1, 2, meta 1, 3, para 1, 4 are used IUPAC system. Okay, let me go for some examples. Simple example, first one, CH3, CH2, Br. Okay, just observe. This is a simple molecule. Already you know the basic naming of IUPAC name followed by some rules. Identify the longest chain, like methane, ethane, propane, number of carbon atoms. It is appear in the naming and substituents groups. Okay. So for first one is as first write common name. This is haloalkanes or haloarenes. This is haloalkanes, alkyl halides, right? Derived the naming of alkyl group. First you write alkyl group. Alkyl group is C2H5. C2H5 means ethyl. So name is CH3 methyl, C2H5 ethyl, propyl, butyl. Like this is C2H5. Ethyl, followed by halides. Which one is halide? Is Br. Br is the halide group. So bromine, you write bromide. This is common name. What about the IUPAC name? Like simply IN. In alkyl halides named as haloalkanes. Halo means halogens, alkanes. Only the alkanes. Why you consider alkanes? You did not consider alkenes or alkynes because haloalkanes only the derived from alkanes group. Okay. So IUPAC name haloalkanes. This is bromine. It's called as bromo. Then alkanes, this is methane or ethane. So bromo ethane. Okay, this is about IUPAC name. Okay, next one. Sirigere, CH3, CH2 and Cl. Okay, so common name. You write common name So you just concentrate this one. This Br is present in this carbon atom. This is 1 and 2. By simply just knowing. So by chance the bromine is present in this carbon atom. So this is also 1, 2. There is a changes of numbering. Okay, 1 bromo means say what? Say CH2 Br CH3. What's the name? This is also bromoethane. This is also bromoethane. There is no changes. But more than 3 carbon atoms, the naming is important. The naming we call it as more than 3. You just write N. The N, why you mention N? The carbon atom is continuous. Okay? And there is no unbranched. Any other substrate group is not present. The halogen atom, you did start with the lowest numbering. This is 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon atoms. Okay. The numbering is in the presence of IUPAC name. Common name we consider number of carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3. 3 means first alkyl group. Alkyl group profile. Okay. Then halogens. Halogens group is chlorine, chloride. Okay. Clear? So then IUPAC name. First IUPAC name you start the numbering 1, 2, 3. The initial starting number is in the presence of chlorine atom. The chlorine is the nearest number is 1. Lowest number is 1. So 1, 2, 3. So write which one chloro. So next alkyl group named as haloalkanes. Halogen is chlorine. So numbering is 1. 1 carbon attached with chlorine. 1 chloro. So 1, 2, 3. 3 means propane. Okay. This is about the naming of IUPAC. Okay. Next one. Okay. Third one. CH3. CH3 and Br. You write like this. CH3, CH3 and Br. Okay. So this is a both were same, but you just write the common name. See here, one of the carbon atom is presents 2 methyl group. 2 carbon atom is attached. This is called what? Carbon atom is attached with 2 methyl group or 2 carbon atoms is called what? Iso. Okay. So N is unbranched longest carbon atom. Iso. Then 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon means profile. You write alkyl group is profile. Then halides means bromine, bromide. Okay, this is about common name. What about IUPAC name? So the longest chain you just consideration. The longest carbon atom is consideration of numbering. So you just put on carbon is 1, 2, 3. It's the longest chain. Why do you consider this one? 1, 2 and 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Longest carbon atom. So which one is present? This is substituent group. This is called what? Parent. This is a parent child. This is substituent. So substituent, write first prefix. So numbering is 2. Okay, 2. Alkyl halides name is haloalkanes. 2 bromo. Then propane. Okay. Okay. See next one. They can write this is to be CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, then Cl. Okay. So, first we write see common name. So there is no carbon atom attached with 2. This is not iso, but this is secondary. Why we call secondary? So already you know that R C H H H. This is a primary, right? R C R dash and H H. This is secondary, and R C R double dash. This is X. This is tertiary. Just to look at this one example. This is primary or secondary or tertiary. This is carbon atom and one hydrogen is present. This is one alkyl group. Okay. This is another one of the alkyl group, and this is halogens. Right, like this. So this is a secondary. Another example of secondary. Okay. So just naming of this one. This is carbon H. This is one alkyl group. This is another alkyl group. Say chlorine is a halogen. This is secondary. Secondary means sec. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 means butyl. Then followed by halides. Halide is Cl, chlorine, chloride. Okay. Then what about IUPACine? IUPACine, you write the longest chain, but in the presence of longest chain, in the lowest numbering in the halogen group. Lowest numbering halogen group is you write 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a 3. But in the right to left, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. So lowest number, then 2 chloro. This is the lowest number. This is 3 chloro. So this is not consideration, only the nearest number. So 2 fluoro, then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 means say butane. Every is a single compound is a butane, not butene, butyne, right? So next one, just concentrate this one example. So they can write like this. So just see here, this is CH3, CH3, CH3. So CH3, 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 then CH2. Okay. So in the last example, see here, one carbon atom is present in 2 methyl group. This is called iso. But the carbon atom is present in 3 methyl group or 3 carbon atoms is called what? Neo. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. The carbon atom presents with 3 methyl group, 3 branches is called neo. You write neo. So then naming 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is there, carbon atoms is pentyl. Methyl 1 carbon atom, 2 is ethyl, 3 is propyl, 4 is butyl, 5 is pentyl, 6 is xyl. Okay? Then ethyl, octyl, likewise. So pentyl, then halogen is, this alkyl group, this halogen is bromide. Okay? What about IUPACine? IUPACine means it's a numbering, is starting with the halogen atom, the lowest number. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, not this is 4, because this is not a continuous carbon chain. Okay? So not to be write 1, 2, 3 also, because this is not a substituent group, this is only the substituent group. So numbering is 1, 2, 3. Okay? This is substituent group, this is substituent group, this is substituents group. Okay? So now start with the naming. This name is 1 bromo. Okay. So 2, it's a methyl group, CH3. This is also methyl group, CH3. So 2, comma 2, 2, comma 2, di methyl, say 1, 2, 3, 6, propane. Okay, this is a IUPAC name. Clear? So next to see here, you write this one, CH3, this is C, one more CH3, say CH3, then here. Just looking for this one of the example, say same as like a touch shape. Okay? Methyl, 3 alkyl group, and carbon is attached with halogen atom. So carbon is attached with halogen atom, 3 over methyl. This is called what? Touch shape. So you write the common name is third. Say touch here. Say third. So 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atoms. 4 means butyl. Then halide, say bromine. Either you take Cl is a chloride, either F is fluoride. Okay, any examples? This is I taken Br. Okay, what about the IUPAC name? So students, now see the IUPAC name, the numbering, longest carbon atom. CH3. Okay, the longest carbon atom is 1, 2, 3. Okay, you given like this also 1, 2, 3. Either 1, 2, 3 also, because the bromine is second carbon atom is attached. The numbering is 2. You write given like this also. Other 1, 2, 3 also, because second bromo. Either 1, 2, 3 also. There is no changes. Bromine is placed in second carbon atom. So 1, 2, 3, either 1, 2, 3, either 1, 2, 3, whatever it. So write the naming of longest chain is 3. So 2 bromo, 2 carbon, say bromo. Okay. So then you consider this one. This is substituent group, bromo. This is also substituent group. Either you take this one, this is substituent group, this is substituent group. Okay, so one more. This is 2 methyl and 1, 2, 3. 3 means propane. Okay, it's about naming of things. Clear? Very. Secondary group, this is tertiary, don't get confused. And this carbon atom attached to 3 methyl, this is neo, 2, this is iso. Okay, next to come from aromatic ring type of examples. Okay, this one is common name is, what's the shade here? Haloarenes, aromatic ring. In a common name as well as IUPAC name, both were aryl halides same. Okay, so common name is benzene. Then haloarenes. This is chlorobenzene. Okay. What about IUPAC name? It's also chlorobenzene. Okay. Either you replace the chlorine, say bromo, say bromobenzene. Either fluorobenzene, either you write I, this is iodobenzene. Okay. So next one of the example. So this is Br and here also Br. Okay. Just look at up this example. two halogens are present. See here, dihalogen arenes is present. The prefix will write ortho, meta, para are used in common names. Common name we are to be using ortho, meta, para. So this is what you write. This is considered as a 1. This is 2. Either this to be 1, this is to be as a 2. Okay. So 1, 2. 1, 2 means ortho. So simply we write this is ortho. This is meta, this position. This is to be para. Okay. So whenever you consider one of the halogen, the next position is a ortho. Other than next carbon atom is meta, then para. So this is the common name is ortho 2 bromine di-bromo cis benzene. Clear? So what about the IUPACID? IUPACID you write the numbering. Numbering means ortho is 1, 2. 1, 2 di-bromo benzene. Okay, by chance to get this to be like this way. Okay, bromine. So presence is bromine here. I write here. What will the changes is meta dibromo benzene. Say 1. So 1, 2, 3. This is 1, 3 dibromo benzene. By chance the bromine is present in this way. So you write this one is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is para dibromo benzene and 1, 4. The IUPAC name is 1, 4 dibromo benzene. Okay. Either you take any examples. Bromine replaced by chlorine, chlorine, any. Okay. You say take one more. Right here, C is chlorine, Z chlorine. So numbering this is called what? We write common name 1, 2, 3. 3 in the way of like this. The naming also say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Either we take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So right here, sin 1, 2, 3, try. This is chloro, benzene. Okay. First carbon is presence 1 chlorine, then carbon is not present, then presence of one more halogen. Say this way of the structure we call sin. Okay. So numbering IUPACID. So write this is to be consideration of 1 carbon atom. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Either this is to be taken 1, this 2, this 3, this is 4, this 5, this 6 also. So what are the changes is this is to be 1, 3, 5. Either 1 chlorine, 3, 5. So 1, 3, 5. So trichloro benzene. Clear? ಇದನ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರು ಅದೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬೇಡ ಈ ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ 1, 3, 5 ಟ್ರೈಕ್ಲೋರೋ ಬೆಂಜೀನ್. Either one more example. Say bromine, bromine. What do you write? Common name is tri-bromo benzene. IUPAC name is name 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3 tri-bromo benzene. Clear? Aromatic type of structures. Okay. So next going forward, some allyl and vinyl group of examples. So see here, CH2 double bond CHCl. So this is what's the type of structure is? Common name is the halogen atom is present with the carbon atom having a double bond carbon atom. This is vinyl halide. So this is vinyl chloride. Okay. What about IUPAC name? IUPAC name is cis chloro. 1 to 2 means 2 carbon atom is present ethane, but double bond is present. This is alkenes group. This is ethene. So ethene, ENE, not ANE. Okay. So this is one of the example of vinyl chloride, vinylic halides. So next one is allylic halides like CH2 double bond CH, CH2 say Br. Okay, halogen is present with the carbon atom, sp3 carbon atom. This is attached with the sp2 carbon atom. This is called what? Allylic halides. So the common name is so called as allyl bromine. What about IUPAC name? So IUPAC name is naming the number of carbon atoms, longest time 1, 2, 3 because okay, here is bromine is present. This is the lowest numbering 1, 2, 3, but alkene group also present. Alkene double bond. So double bond is a priority table to consideration of lowest number start with alkene group. So this is not right to be 1, 2, 3. You write the alkene group double bond start with lowest numbering 1, 2, 3. Clear? Don't forget. The when it is presence of double bond, this is to be as a lowest numbering. Start with lowest numbering. First you write halogens 3 bromo. Okay. So then 1, 2, 3. 3 means propane, but double bond is present. Propene. EN. Either also we write one more type of naming 3 bromo. So pro and where it is carbon start with the pro and write the carbon double bond starting number. Double bond start with 1 carbon atom. This is right 1 and EN. Okay, you write like this also, otherwise this way also. Different. 2 are same. Clear? Okay. Looking for another examples. Say ClCH3. So Benjamin containing of CH3 is called as toluene. So common name is say chloro. So common name is you consider this one. This is 2. 1, 2. 1, 2 means ortho, chloro, toluene. So next IUPAC name. IUPAC name 1 to 2. Chloro. Okay. Other way also, IUPAC name of this one. You just consider 1, 2. Say 1 carbon atom. This is 2 carbon atom. So what do you write it? Say 1 chloro. Okay. This is 2 methyl alphabetic then C, then alphabetic twice C, then M. So 1 chloro, 2 methyl, set benzene. Clear? So next one. CH2Cl. So this is called that. So one of the example of benzyl halides. Set benzyl halides which halogen is present with sp3 hybridized carbon atom. This is attached with the benzene ring. So this is called benzyl halides. The previous class we discussed that benzyl halides and some of the examples. Just remember that benzyl, this is Cl, chloride. This is a common name. What about IUPAC name of this one is say phenyl. So benzyl we called as, so phenyl group is present, we called as benzene, is a not benzyl, this is phenyl. Chloro, phenyl. Okay, so just look at this example. This is what we like, say carbon. Okay, this is H, this is H, this is Cl, this is to be benzene. So what is this? Carbon attached with 4 atoms, methane. Okay, 3 chloro, methane. This is IUPAC name of this compound. Okay, one more example. CH2Cl. This is also same. CH2. You write this is to be Cl. What about common name? Common name is CH2. CH3 is called methyl. CH2 methylene. Methylene. Okay, so this is called what? Methylene chloride. Okay, what about IUPAC name of this one? Dichloro. This look like methane. Methane. Okay. So next example. See here, CHCl3. This is called what? Chloroform. It's a common name. Okay. So what about IUPAC name? So look like what? CHCl. Okay. So we write called as IUPAC name of this one chloroform is trichloromethane. Okay. So same as like one of the example is chloroform. This is breathe on. Okay, this is a bromine. This is called as bromoform. This is a common name. What about IUPAC name? Tri is replaced by Br. Bromomethane. Okay, so tri-bromomethane. So next, this one is carbon attached with 4 Cl atoms. So common name is carbon tetrachloride. Okay, what about IUPAC name of this one? Say tetra, 4 chlorine atoms there. Tetrachloromethane. Clear? Some examples. Okay, look at one of the example. See here, say CH3, C, double bond, C, CH3, and C Br and CH3. Okay. So write we ask examination 1 or 2 marks IUPAC name. Given IUPAC name and write the structure also. So look at this example. So carbon, this having CH3, right? This is 1, 2, 3. 1 more hydrogen is present. Okay. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This carbon is 1, 2, 3. So here also 1 more hydrogen is taken. So IUPAC name of this one. First you learn the longest chain. So longest chain is you take a carbon and also presence of double bond. Double bond ide andre you just mind to think the lowest numbering is presence with the double bond carbon atoms starting. Okay, so means lowest number near and barbeku. So just see here, this will be given 1, 2, 3, 4 and also 5 because the longest carbon atom is look like how they look CH3, CH double bond, C CH3 single bond, C H and Br and CH3 either Br CH3. Okay, is that right? So longest chain, how do you write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now count it. 1, 2. Carbon double bond is presence 2 numbering. Either you given 2 this way 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the wrong of giving a numbering? 1, 2, 3. So the carbon double bond is present. You write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That make the wrong way because this way you will given the values. This is the third carbon atom, but in the way of left to right, second carbon atom is given the double bonding lowest number. Second, this is the right way to consider of 1, 2, 3 in the left to right. Not to be taken this way. Okay? Carbon double bond ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ lowest numbering ಇರಬೇಕು. This is the 2 lowest number, but ಈಗ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 3 ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. Okay? Okay, write the IUPAC name of this structure. So one more point. How many substituent group are present in this molecule? This is a substituent group. This is a substituent group. 2 substituent group are present. Okay? So first to say substituent group, write it. 4 bromo. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. You just not consider this one. Not be like this is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bromo. Okay? So then methyl 3 methyl and this is the alphabet wise B then M. So 4 bromo 3 methyl. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 means pentane, but double bond is present. This is pentene. Also, you write 4 bromo 3 methyl. So 2, right? Pent 2 En. This type also. Okay. So next examples of dihalides. Dihalides examples. Okay, students. So next to dihalides. Dihalides already we discussed in the previous class. Okay. Dihalides means 2 halogens group or presence. Okay. So in that 2 classifieds, aminal dihalide either we called as gem halides. Okay. Then vicinal dihalides either with halides. Okay. Say common name. Geminal dihalides we write a common name as alkali dine halide. Vicinal dihalides as common name is alkali halides. Alkali-dine, alkali. Okay, right? The definition of geminal and vicinal. Say CH3, CHX2. Okay. So how you write this one? CH, H, H, C, H, say X, X. Either you write say X, X. Okay. What's the means of geminal? Geminal means say. Okay. In a two halogens are present one carbon atom or same carbon atom is called geminal dihalides. Okay. See some example. See some other example. CH3, CH, Cl2. So how do you write this one? Either you take Cl2. Okay. So how do you write this one? The structure will be CH, H, H, C, H, and Cl, Cl. Okay. So write common name. Alkali halide. So two carbon atom is ethane. So this is what? Ethylene. So ethylene halide. Halide is chlorine. Say chloride. Okay. What about IUPAC name? IUPAC name is say starting with 1 2 numbering. Say 1 presents two halogens. 1 comma 1 dichloro. This is 2 carbon atom. This is ethane. Clear? So now going to the vicinal halides. Vicinal halides is like CH2, XX, the X base halogens. So the two halogens are present adjacent carbon atom, either neighboring carbon atom. This is called vicinal. So now one of the example is CH2Br, CH2Br. Okay, they can write like this: CHHBr and CHHBr. So common name is the Br right here, no problem. So HBr. Okay. So common name of this vicinal halides. So alkaline halide. Alkaline means two carbon atom is 2 means ethane. So ethylene halide is bromide. Bromide. Okay. What about IUPAC name? IUPAC name is numbering. This is 1 2. Either 1 2. No problem. 1 2. So because bromine is not present, here bromine is present. So 1 2 1 comma 2 di-bromo this is ethane. Okay. Clear, students? This is nomenclature. Okay. Thank you.